family channel, and we're
Get it?
Hi,
Hey,
everyone.
Hi, Arian. Uh,
hey,
Can everyone turn on their camera, please, by the way?
me? Now?
Yeah, I can see.
Arian.
So, you and you said
Arian.
host, right?
Jay, mute. Mute. Arian, I'm having dinner. As soon as I'm done, I'll on it.
Oh, okay. Okay, so today we're gonna make. Um, Let me just show you guys the game first.
Mhm.
Okay. Let me share my screen. So this is what's the game's gonna be. But there's a character, and you can move around. Your score goes up, and you have to try to dodge the balls. So you have 3 lives. If you get hit by a ball, you lose a life. And then, so if you get hit by 3 balls, then it says game over. So that's gonna be the game. So let me show you how to make it. 1 second. So open a new Scratch tab and create a new project first.
What? What you said?
So do you have a Scratch account?
What?
Do you have a Scratch account?
Hey,
Let me share the link.
send me that, what you talking about, that I in your page.
Yeah, so everyone, look in the chat. So go to that link, and if you don't have an account, create an account. And if you don't have an account, then just log in.
Join. So they asking to join. I joined that.
Yeah, join it.
So here, they tell me join. So I joined it, right?
Yeah.
So I joined.
If you don't already have an account, if you have one, then you have to. 1 second.
I did it, Arian.
Okay, good job. 1 second. My video's still
Uh,
Oh wait, don't share your screen because we can see your password right now.
yeah, Jay, stop
Yeah.
Stop sharing.
Okay, so if you guys have an account, then it's good. If you don't, just create one really quick right now. By the way, is my audio fine right now? Or is it like, is there too much of a fan noise? Hello? Wait, Adava, did you hear me?
I,
Is there too much of a fan noise?
yeah, there's like a weird noise.
The fan. Is it too loud or is it fine?
It's kind of like loud.
Really?
Yeah.
So do you hear my voice properly or no?
I can hear your voice, but like it's like the fan's like loud.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Is it better now or no?
I feel really better.
Is it better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys signed in. Let me share my screen.
Okay. Oh,
Okay, do you
now
guys see
what?
my screen?
Now where I
Yes.
go?
So click your username and go to my stuff, and then over here it says new project. Just click that. So we're creating a new project, and you can name it something like like
My staff here then nothing. Okay.
like
Can
whatever
I show
you want.
you?
Like if you want dodge the rocks, you can do that. If you want
So
to do dodge the balls, you can do that.
wait, my portrait or my staff? Which one?
Huh?
Which one?
What do you mean which one? Wait, did you create an account?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so click. You see my screen? Click your username and then go to my stuff, and then click create a new project.
My talent. Now what?
Now click create a new project.
Where?
Okay, wait, let me show you. Look at my screen, click my stuff, and then up here it says plus new project, right? Just click that.
Yeah.
And then name it like Dodge and things or something.
Now what?
Like you can look in here to see what things you want to be falling down. So in my example it was balls, but you can actually like do anything. Like if you want like fortune cookies to fall down, you could do that.
So
If you want
have to
laptops to fall down,
play.
you can do that. Huh?
Have to play.
Oh, so you don't play, right now we have to code it, right?
Huh?
First we have to code it before we can play. We do like dodge the
Clothing?
watermelons maybe.
Clothing?
Wait, can you say that again?
You say clothing?
Wait,
You
can you say that again?
say
I didn't catch it.
clothing?
Coding? Yeah, coding.
So what do you mean?
Okay, so just look at what I'm doing and just do what I'm doing. So name it like dodge. So like, for example, I'm gonna dodge the balls, for example. But you can click choose a sprite, and you can look at the different options of the things you want to dodge. Like you can do dodge the apples. You can
Oh,
do
you said
dodge the
that.
gifts.
No.
So maybe this time I'm gonna do dodge the watermelons.
So
That sounds
I
interesting.
didn't buy. So now what? Now what? I really bought. Now, based on the bar, I put it or what?
Wait, can you
It,
say again? I understand what you said.
so if I put the bar with that, so what I do next?
Yeah, so just first pick a sprite of the thing you want to fall down. Like, so you saw in my example, right? I can show it again if you want. But there's like a character here that you can move side to side, and there's going to be something that's falling over and over, right? So this time I picked watermelon, but you can click choose a sprite and pick whichever. thing you want.
Oh, that
And
one.
then I don't think I want a cat. You can have a cat if you want, but I think let's see what else I can pick. So for example, I can do a dinosaur maybe. So you guys can pick
I
whichever
have
things you want.
cat. So now what? So I,
Maybe I can have a monkey.
Aryan,
uh,
I chose two of my sprites.
Oh, you did? Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Or maybe instead of watermelons, or should I do bananas? I'll just do watermelons actually.
dictionary.
Yeah.
Mm.
So pick one sprite of the character you want to move around, and another sprite of the object you want to be falling down. Okay. Did everyone do that so far?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Darva, how about you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, how about you, Tanish? Oh, I can't hear you for some reason. Oh, okay. Cat and ball's also good. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Also, you can pick a backdrop, like Tanish said. So, for example, let's see what I can pick.
So, how do I play this? I move, and move. That's it? The game?
First, you have to code it.
I hear me? I hear me?
Okay.
So, I am
Yeah,
moving.
yeah.
I am moving. So, now what?
Now I'll show you what to do. Just 1 second. So you can pick a backdrop. So click choose a backdrop, and you can pick anything. So I think I'm just gonna pick this backdrop. Okay, now we're gonna be coding. So click on your sprite of your character. So for me, it's the monkey.
Monkey?
Wait, by the way, wait, Zia, did you pick the two sprite?
I already choose the sprite.
Okay, that's good. And Adarva, which sprites did you pick again?
I picked a monkey.
Oh, nice. And the watermelon.
I picked the monkey and then I put like the banana.
Oh, okay. That's good too.
And
Well,
I
it kind
named
of
my
does make sense, right?
project
Because
Dodge the Soccer Balls.
oh, nice. Yeah, you can name it anything you want. But yeah, the reason I didn't pick bananas is because like I feel like monkeys would want the bananas, right? But in this game, you have to try to dodge whatever. But it kind of makes sense. Yeah, bananas also work.
Ellie,
Monkey and bananas.
so, you seem in the chat.
So first, you can make the monkey start to move around. So what you have to do is go to events, right? And drag this button. So when the green flag clicked, then we want it so that forever. So as long as the game is running, we want the monkey to be able to move, right? So we go to control again, and we get the if, and we get another if. And in the first one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say if the key right arrow is pressed, then we want the monkey to move to the right 7, right? So we'll get change x and by 7. So it moves that way 7 every time the right arrow is clicked. And then for the other side, for the left arrow, we go to sensing. We do if key left arrow is pressed, then we want
Um,
to move the
Aryan,
opposite direction the same way, right? Yeah.
Aryan, Can you slow down a bit? You're going way too fast.
Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah. So basically, we want it so as long as the game is running. So if the right arrow is clicked, then we want it to move that way 7, right? And then
Aryan,
yeah.
Iron,
I
and
I need some
so
help.
Oh, okay. With what?
With the first code you did. I don't know where to find it. So can you let me share my screen?
Yeah, sure. One sec.
So what do I do?
Okay, so what you do is first you go get the when green flag clicked.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
We aren't a complete quiz. We are toilets quiz.
When the green flag click. Whoops, my bad. Okay. What's next?
Okay, so then get the forever from control. And then put a if statement in there. Put 2 if statements actually.
If then or if then else?
No, just regular if. If then.
Where is it?
Wait, I can just wait. Let me just show it on my screen, and then you can just like copy that. Let
I
me show it
can't.
in one
I
second.
Audience. I can't. I cannot see your screen while I'm doing mine. So yeah.
Oh wait, you can just like switch tabs, right?
It's hard for me to do that.
Let me show it. What you can do is you can like make your screen smaller, and then have the zoom also
Okay.
small. Or what laptop are you on? Is it a Windows laptop?
Adele.
Okay, yeah. So click Alt Tab, and you can easily switch between
Okay.
like the screens.
Okay. I
Okay.
got it.
So
Okay.
yeah, okay. So you guys can see my screen, right? So just keep this. So forever we want it if the right arrow is pressed, then it moves to the right by 7. The left arrow is clicked, then it moves to the left by 7. So if I click the green arrow, the green flag, when I click the right arrow, I can move it to the right. When I click the left arrow, I can move it to the left. So that way we'll be able to dodge the
Audience,
watermelons that are falling down. Yeah?
where did you find the? Can you go back to the monthly for a minute? Where did
Yeah.
you find the whitely pressed?
Oh, so go to sensing and then go to key press.
Okay.
So you can see by the color, right? So this is like a bluish color and sensing bluish. So yeah, so
Mine,
that's how you know where to
mi-
find it.
mine is not going in.
It's not. Wait, just try to put it in the like
I
diamonds.
did.
Or
I
the
did. It's not
excellent.
going.
It's not really. Wait, are you sure it's the key space press or key pressed?
Yeah.
Really, it should be going. Wait, you can share your screen really quick.
Okay. Oh wait, sorry, I did something wrong. Hold on. Um. Um. See?
First, you need the is statement. Let me put an is statement in the forever.
Which
So let me see my screen again.
Which
Let me
thing?
show my screen again.
Yeah, sure.
Just one second. Yeah, let me show it. So look, this is in the if statement. There's two if statements over here, right? And both of these if statements are in the for loop. So you have to go to control and get the if statements and put it
Oh,
in.
okay, just give me 1 second.
Okay,
Sorry about that, audience.
this one. So what this code means is whenever I click the green flag, so forever after clicking the green flag, whenever I click the right arrow, then it changes the x by 7. And whenever I click the left arrow, then it changes the x by -7. So the x, as you can see over here, is the horizontal direction. So whenever I say change x by 7, it just means the monkey moves this way by 7. And change x by -7 means move the monkey this way by 7. Okay, Atarva, are you done with the code?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Wait, actually, I have a question. So,
Yeah?
oh, for the watermelon, are you supposed to do all the code for the watermelon or like for the monkey?
So the code you just did it should be for the monkey, right? Because you want it so when you click the right arrow, then the monkey moves, right? If you did it and for the watermelon, then it would make it so when you click the right arrow, the monkey wouldn't move, the watermelon would move to it. And if you click the left arrow, the watermelon would move. But you don't want the watermelon to move, right? So make sure you select the monkey when you're doing the code.
Okay. Yeah, I
Good
make
question.
sense.
Anna,
Oh, if what you can do is you can drag the code to the monkey then the watermelon. So
audience,
then you don't have to read it. Yeah?
I need some help. It's
Okay.
confusing what you're
Okay.
showing me. So, can you let me share my screen?
Mhm. Yeah, sure.
Oops, sorry about that. Just give me 1 second. So I did when the flat click and then if the space press and then change by X7, what do I do
It
now?
shouldn't be space. It should be with right arrow. Because you want to use the right arrow to move it. And what you can do is now right click the if statement.
Right click?
Yeah, the if statement.
Yeah.
And then click duplicate. And then put that below it. And then change right arrow to left arrow. And change 7 to -7 on the second one.
Like that.
Yeah, so now click the green flag.
The top.
Yeah, so now that runs the code, and now hold down the right arrow or the left arrow, and yeah, see you can move it now.
Excuse me,
So
my
why?
project isn't saving.
Oh, it didn't save?
It isn't saved. It says project could not save.
But I have
Oh,
a
really?
question.
Do you want to refresh your screen?
Oh, audience.
Yeah?
I have a question. So Why? Whenever time when Abby touches the ball, it's not disappearing.
Oh yeah, because we can code that. Yeah. And
Oh,
also for
okay.
your character, yeah, just move it down a little and make it a little smaller, so that way
And,
it doesn't instantly disappear.
and so I have
The size 100 won't work.
I think that would work, but maybe do like 80. I think that's good. And move it down
80,
there. Yeah. And
like
just move
that.
it down a little. Yeah.
Okay.
So let me
Like,
show you
right
yeah,
here.
like that's good. Yeah, that's good. So let
Okay.
me show mine now. So yeah, like this. How my monkey's like down here. And I can move like that.
I
Okay,
have a
so
question.
yeah.
Well, for me, whenever like I move the whenever
Mama,
whenever like so whenever like click on the hold on the left arrow, the monkey doesn't move like left. It just doesn't move.
Oh, you have to click the green flag first. Otherwise it doesn't go on the click.
I did click the green flag, but it still didn't work.
Also make your thing kind of small. So like you see how my watermelon's kind of big. Make it maybe like 50, maybe like
Okay.
I think like 80 is good for me. Maybe a little smaller, so I think 70 is good. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna make the monkey also kind of small.
So basically, like, so what when I'm like holding like the so whenever I'm holding the left arrow, the monkey doesn't move in the left direction, but in the right direction, it moves like right. But when I click the left,
Okay, so that means you made a mistake with this part. Are you sure this is -7? Did you make it -7?
only
Because yeah, and also guys, don't just copy it down. Make sure you understand the code, otherwise it's it's like really easy to make more mistakes, and you won't be able to code by yourself. So if you have any questions about how it works, feel free to ask me.
the code is exactly same as your code, and I like
Really?
yeah.
Okay, maybe you didn't say left arrow. Are you sure it says left arrow?
Yeah.
Or does and are you sure it says change x by -7?
Yeah.
And did it click the green flag and then try?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to share your screen?
Oh wait. Okay. So like when I
Yeah,
click,
so what you did is you put the if statement inside the other if statement. It has to be under the other if
oh,
statement.
okay.
So the one on the bottom, take it out and put it under. Yeah, good. So now they're two separate things. So if the right arrow is clicked, then it moves to
Oh
left.
yeah, now it
If
works.
the left arrow clicked is then it moves all the same. If you have the if statement in the first one, then what it's saying is if the right arrow is pressed, then it moves 7 to the right. But also, if the left arrow is clicked at the same time, then it moves -7. So that's why it doesn't move. It has to be separate.
Okay.
Okay, let me share my screen again. Okay, now we're gonna code the watermelon. So make sure you select the watermelon. And this one is like the most of the code. So what we have to do for this first is first we need to go to variables and create some variables. So if you remember from last class, like we had a score variable, right? So first we need that and keep it for all sprites, right? And then click OK. And then click make a variable again. And we need one for lives. And then make another one that's falling speed, which is the speed that the stuff falls. So for falling speed, you can deselect that, but keep the other ones. And what we want to do is once you're done with that, drag the when green flag clicked, and what we have to do is go to variables and drag 3 set blocks. And first we want, so when we want the game to start, we want the score to start off, we want the score to start off as 0, right? So let there be a block that says set score to 0. And we also want the lives to start as 3. So you start with 3 lives in the game, right? And then for the falling speed, which is the speed that the watermelon falls, keep that at -5. I think that's a good number. So it's going to fall at a speed of -5. If that's like a -10 or something, it's going to fall way too fast. So -5 is good. And what we're going to do is we're going to make clones of the watermelon. So there's multiple watermelons falling down. So what we do is we want like 10 clones. So go to repeat 10, drag that down. So we want 10 clones, right? Then go to events and get, is it in events? No, it's over here in control. And get a create clone of myself. And then get a weight.
Audience,
Let me see. Yeah?
I need some help.
Me
Okay,
too.
just one second. Let me just make this block and then I can help you.
Me too.
So we wanted to create a clone. Okay, I'll help you too. So we wanted to create a clone, so it creates 10 clones. And then we wanted to wait a random number of seconds, right? So go to pick random and do like 0.1 seconds to 1 seconds. So it waits a random amount of seconds every time it creates a clone, right? So they don't all just fall at the same time. And then we want it to hide. So that way this watermelon hides and only the clones you can see. There'll be 10 clones. Okay, what do you guys need help with?
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
So I wasn't here for this, so can you tell me what to do for the ball? So what code do I need to for the ball, Arian? You muted.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, so first, make the size like 50. Wait, how long have I been muted for? Have I muted for a long time?
Like 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, you were
Oh,
muted.
no. No one told me. I was talking the whole time.
I said you were muted.
You did? I didn't hear.
Okay.
Okay, wait, so make the ball size like 50.
50.
Yeah.
Can I do the same size as Abby, 80?
I think 80's, yeah, 80's good maybe. So try 80. I think you make it like 70. 70 is good.
Why 70?
Because otherwise it'll be way too hard. Because there'll be so many balls. And they're gonna be so big. Yeah,
Okay,
I
what
think
do I
that's good.
do?
And bring it to the top also.
Touching the sky?
Yeah. Okay.
So
Let me
what do
share
I
my
do?
screen now.
No, because I need some help. So can you tell me what to do for the code?
Yeah, all the code's on my screen. Let me share it.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is all the code.
Uh,
Okay, so what I
can
was
you
saying is
can you make that a
we
little
have a
bit bigger?
variable for
I
setting the
see.
score.
Audience, can you make that a little bit
Huh?
bigger? Can you make your
What?
code a little bit?
Oh yeah, sure.
Make that a little.
So
Thank
what I
you.
was saying is, wait, what was the last thing I said? Was it
Um.
about the other script? About the
Yeah.
monkey? Oh no. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. So what I said was saying is,
Oh.
you have to make variables for
Audience.
all of them.
Audience. Audience.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can see, but Tanush has a question.
Oh yeah, it's in it. Yeah, it's in it. Do you have a question? You can type it if you want. In the meanwhile, everyone like copy down this code
What?
for the watermelon or for whatever falling object you have. Or Tanu, what's the problem? Tanu,
Who
is there a
who
problem
are
with the
you
code?
talking?
Oh, Tanu. Wait, Atarva.
What?
Wait, did you know I was muted for so long?
Oh.
I noticed it, but
Next time you guys should tell me. Otherwise,
I did
like, what if
tell you.
I
I
spent
did
time?
tell you. I said, audience, you
But that
make.
was later. That was later though.
Oh,
It's fine
oh
now.
my God.
Okay, wait, let me. If you have a question, you can just message me right now. If not, then I'll continue. Okay, so make sure your watermelons or whatever falling object you have is small, and your monkey is also kind of small. So what I was saying
Oh,
before is
audience,
make sure you select the watermelon,
I have a
and
question.
then yeah.
Hi.
How did you do the scores and lives?
Hi, this is Sarvesh mom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
so we joined late. So next class, can you teach from start? We are new to this programming class.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. So next time, I think we're gonna like be doing another project. So for today, I can share this code in the WhatsApp group,
Okay,
and yeah, next class we're gonna do a different game. So yeah.
okay. So we have to try this game any specific website.
Oh yeah. So let me share the website in chat, and then just
Okay,
create an
is it
account for that.
is it
Let me share it.
allowed to share in WhatsApp or you can send it separately?
I think I can share it in the WhatsApp also.
I think it's not allowed to send in WhatsApp. I'm not sure. You have to check it. Um,
Okay, yeah, I'll see. I'll
Excuse
just
me.
for now I'll just
The balls
end it
aren't
in this Zoom.
flopping. The balls aren't
Yeah.
falling yet.
Oh yeah, they're not falling yet because I didn't code the part for the clone. So right now
Which one
we're
you
just creating the clone, but we need to actually code the part for that.
Audience,
Yeah?
how did you do the scrolls and lives?
Huh?
How did you put up the scrolls and the lives?
Yeah, so what you do is go to variables and then
The
create the
variables?
variables falling speed, lives, and score. And make sure the falling speed is not selected. So whichever ones are selected are the ones that show up in the top corner.
No. I'm saying, you see my, hold on. I mean, like, next to the watermelon, next to your watermelon, it says, oh yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, score and lives, right? Yeah. Okay. So make sure you have this code. What it does is first it sets the score to 0, then sets the lives to 3, and then we set the falling speed to -5. So the falling speed is how fast the watermelons will be falling. And if it's like -10 or something, it's going to be falling
I
much
don't
faster.
see it, audience.
And we want the lives to be 3 because you start with 3 lives, and the score to start with 0, right?
Audience,
Yeah?
I don't see the lives and mine.
Excuse me. Just
Yeah?
now I opened the scratch. Can you tell quickly so I can try? I can try how to do this. I open scratch,
Okay,
but
wait, so after you click scratch, click join, and once
okay.
you create an account, yeah, so after you
Okay,
create an
so we
account, then
have
you can
to first we
create
have to
project.
create. So in scratch we have create. In that we have to create a account.
Yeah,
I just enter the tab create, so I can see now what you are seeing.
okay.
Mama, audience.
Yeah.
Can you let me share my screen because I don't see the scrolls and lives on mine.
Yeah, so make sure they're selected. Do you create the variables?
I don't see it. I don't see it.
No, did you click make a variable and then type it in?
Oh, you have to make it?
Yeah, you have to make it.
Oh, I have a question.
Yeah?
So, like, for some reason, I can't see the banana.
You can't see what?
The banana.
Yeah, that's because we're not done with the code. When you click it, then it just hides it, right? So, yeah, just 1 second. Let me show you how to do the rest. So, what we do next is we have to make it so the watermelons fall, right? So go to events, or not events, go to control and drag the when I start as a clone, right? And when I start as a clone, then you want it to show, and then we want it to go to, we want to set the Y to whatever this is. So actually, let's set it to 180, so it falls from the top. So they fall from the top, right? And then what we do is we drag the set X to, and then we want it to fall from a random spot, like a random X location, right? So the X position is like the horizontal position. So we want it to fall from a random horizontal position, right? So what we do is go to operators, and drag the pick random and put it inside of there. And then we do -240 to 240. Yeah. And then what we want to happen is forever We want, as long as the watermelons are there, we want them to drop down, right? So forever, we go to motion and change y by whatever, go to variables and drag falling speed. So it changes the y by the falling speed, so it falls that fast, right? And then go to control, and what we do is we get an if statement, right? Let me move this bit to the side. So we grab an if statement, and what we want is, so the very bottom has a y position of negative 160. So we want it, so if the if the y position is less than that, so basically it's saying if the watermelon touches the floor, then what do we want to happen? We want it to disappear, right? Or we want it another watermelon to fall down. We want the score to go up. So we go to motion. So if y position is less than negative 160, then we want to set the y to 180. It goes all the way to the top end. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so now the watermelons are falling, right? Yeah, and as soon as they touch the bottom, it goes to the top. Let me try, let's see what happens if I just negative 180. Yeah, that might be better actually. I can try negative 180. Okay. And then we want the X to be random. We don't want them to keep falling in the same position, right? So as you can see right now, they're all falling. As soon as they touch the bottom, they go back to the top of the same position. So then you could just stay like over here and then not get hit, right? So what we can do is we can make it so we can like drag this down and then right click this and duplicate it and put it over here. Or you can just grab the blocks again. So basically, we want the X to be set randomly again. So make sure it's, wait, 1 second. Make sure it's not like this. It should be over here. And then what we want is, we can maybe make a noise, right? So like start sound, not bite.
Why do I miss?
Yeah, let's not do bite. Let's do like pop, for example. You can go to sounds and then select pop. And you can do start sound pop. And then we want the score to also increase, right? So go to variables and get change. Set this to score. So change score by 1. Okay. So now this works, right? So you can move around, and every time a watermelon goes down, the score goes up, right? But the thing is, we realize is that every time the monkey touches the watermelon, nothing happens, right? What we want to happen is every time a watermelon touches a monkey, we want the lives to go down by 1, and we want it to make a noise or something, and we want it, so if the lives is less, if the lives is 0 or less, then it stops again. So what we're gonna do is get another if statement. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys are done with this code, so I'm just gonna move it up here, and then.
So, can you help me after you do one more? One
Yeah,
more.
sure. After I'm done with this if statement, I can help you. Just, yeah. Let me just do this really quick first. We grab another if statement, make sure it's under it, not in this if statement, it should be under it. And what we want is if, go to sensing, if the watermelon is touching the monkey or whatever sprite you have here, if it's touching that sprite, let me change this to dodge the watermelons. So if the watermelon is touching the monkey, then we want it to start a noise, right? So we can go to sounds and we can maybe have the bite sound. So it's like it's the monkeys eating it or something. So go to sound and start sound bite. And then we want the lives to go down. And so how we do that is we get the change and we set this to lives and we change it by -1. So it goes down by 1. And then what we do is we set the Y, go to motion and we set the Y to 180. So it's basically like the same as when the watermelon falls to the floor, how it resets the watermelon. But this time when it hits the monkey, then it resets the watermelon. So we set the Y to 180 and then we can duplicate this again and we can drag this down over here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all the code. Let's try it out now. Let me drag this also down here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty much all the code for the long one. Let's try it out to make sure. So yeah, you can use you can move the monkey around. Every time the watermelon goes down, the score goes up by 1. Right? Every time it hits it, then it goes down by 1. Let's stay connected. No, it still hits me. Oh yeah, so we're not done. We're not done yet. Since the
Please, can
lives
you?
go 0. Yeah?
So, can you tell me how to select this picture? Because I am getting one picture that is how to get this monkey watermelon picture.
Oh, I think it's a monkey and watermelon?
Yes. So I'm in the same screen, but I am in the different animation picture, not this monkey watermelon. How to come to
Oh
this?
yeah, so you need to click choose a sprite, and then you have to search up monkey and search up watermelon.
Where?
So click choose a sprite, and then
No sauces
search up
today.
monkey and search up watermelon.
No.
But I don't think you'll be able to do all of it
No
right now. Because
sauces
for sake of
today.
time, I was gonna put the code also.
When am no. No sauces today. Is that you? I know. When am
Okay, so we're not done actually, since we still
we
need the
are
game over. Right?
we are
So
Ernie Coffee
let
8.
me just- what we can do is go to backdrops, right? And what we do is create a new backdrop. So we're gonna click paint, right? And for this backdrop, we're just gonna have it say game over. And like before, you can change the text to maybe red or something and make it big and center it like there. Actually, what we should do is duplicate this. So forget about this. Okay, let me delete this. and get the game over and put it on top of this. Yeah, it's over here, for example. Something like that. So what we're gonna do is go to the code for the backdrop, right? And in the code, go to events, and green flag click, then looks, and switch backdrops to wall 2. So actually go back to backdrops. You can change this name to game over screen. Or just game over or something. And then so switch backdrop to game over screen. So when this is okay, wait. No, first we don't want it to start off like that. We want to start off as the wall, right? Or whichever backdrop you had before. So switch backdrop to that when the green flag is clicked. But what we want is wait until, and then go to variables, get lives, go to operators, and then we can get less than. So if the lives is less than 1, right? So if the lives is 0 or less. So wait until the lives are less than 1, and then we want it to switch the backdrop to the game over screen, right? And once it switches it to that, we want everything to stop, right? So then get stop all. So once you have this, when you click it, it starts like this. You can move the monkey around or whichever sprite you have. And then if it hits like 3 things, it switches to game over. And yeah. And if you feel like it's too hard or something, what you can do is you can make the monkey smaller. Like for me, I think it's a little hard right now. So I made the monkey a little smaller. Or you can make the watermelon smaller. Because if the watermelons are too big, then it takes up too much space, right? So I think this is kind of hard, right? Like this. See? So I got a score of 30. And then it said, since I hit another watermelon, it said game over. And you can even have some sound for game over if you want. But this is a basic version. You guys can add more stuff if you want, or change stuff and have different sprites. Yeah, that's the main code. Did everyone, like, was everyone able to finish, or should I share it also? I'm gonna share it also, so let me just stop sharing.
I don't think mine is working.
Oh, it's not. Do you want to share your screen?
I don't think mine is working because I have too many sprites. The sports.
Oh, really? Wait, do you want to share your screen? Does anyone else need help in anything?
No, it's not working.
I thought, by the way, were you able to finish it?
in Scratch code I created a user and the project name, but so how to select this watermelon and monkey?
I think it's gonna be it's gonna take too long to make the whole code because
Okay.
you can select the sprites, but you also need to put the code in there. Right? And I think class I think it's almost over. Yeah. The next class we can do something something
Okay.
else, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I also shared the code in the chat, so if you wanna, you can copy it from there, or you can look at that, or whatever you want. If you want to play it,
I
you can
could put
play it
the
from there.
scripts. I could put the scripts into the other sprites.
Hey,
Oh, is that the problem?
so can you tell me that too? So you said to do that.
Wait, what? Can you say it again?
So next time you can help me. Next time the class almost done.
Yeah, next time we're gonna do a different project. The next time, yeah, I
So
can share it.
you can help me.
Excuse me, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yep, so can you show you my screen?
Oh, you sharing your screen?
Yes.
Okay. By the way, Adarva, were you able to finish it?
I was able to do like some of it.
Okay. I shared the final code in the chat, so you can look at that.
Okay.
Can you turn down to the chat too? Hear me?
Yeah, I'm not
To
sure what's
the
happening.
June. What?
It's sharing. I don't know. Wait, something went wrong again.
In the June.
Wait, maybe let me share it really quick. Okay. So I shared the link for this code, and you
In
can
the
click see
June.
inside, and then you can look at the code for everything
In
for the
the
back stuff.
June.
Oh yeah, Tunish, are you saying something?
No. In the June. Send
What?
me. Send me that. Hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
So maybe you can send that to me.
Yeah, I sent it in the chat. It's the scratch link.
Really? No chat.
Oh, I
Not
think since you
there.
left again, but yeah, let me share it again. Here. So you can play the game from there also. So just click the green flag if you want to play it. If you want to see the code, then just click see inside. Okay, so it's already past 6:30. So I think that's the end of the class. Thanks everyone for joining. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Mommy, my
Yeah,
game
bye.
isn't finished, but I have too many balls of the spray.
What's that?
I didn't finish because I have too many balls of the spray. Okay. I won't get the score.
Okay, it's
We done?
Oh yeah, we're done. But if anyone needs any help, like, feel free to ask me and I can help you. And like a new queries and something. Oh wait, I think you.
Probably you can help me tomorrow. Alright.
Okay, sure. Or not tomorrow, but next Monday I can help you.
Yeah.
If you need any help with any other subject.
Yeah.
What did you?
Okay, let me stop sharing.
I think it's this.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Mom.
Bye.
Bye.